What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Tuesday. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Polygon, currently sitting at $1.25. It's down 3% on the day, sitting market cap of 10.7 billion. 24-hour volume 1.92 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, Bybit is now offering $30,000, up to $30,000 in bonuses. I think they're trying to outdo BitGet. So you can sign up through my referral. I have a full length tutorial with how to trade on Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses and no fees on all spot trading pairs. All links are in the comments. If you make your first deposit, you email me or sign up email, I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So here's what I'm looking at. We failed to break the high that we were covering yesterday as we were pushing up here. I said that Matic may be pushing up in its wave 5, but as you can see, we dumped down. We failed to break the high. So what we can be looking at here is that we went through an ABC correction. So we came up in a wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, and we're starting to break out here and potentially pushing up in a wave 5, which would have to take you above that wave 3 high. And if you take your trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3, down to the bottom of the wave 4, if this is the bottom, which it very likely could be with this strong impulsive move to the upside, you would have a wave 5 target of $1.42 before seeing a large wave 2 pullback. And that large wave 2 pullback can take you all the way down. Let me grab my fib retracement. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations, as I think that is important. So your wave 2 pullback could take you all the way down in between 80 cents and 99 cents, which is the 0.786 and the 0.5, with a minimum target of the 0.382 at $1.08. So that could provide a beautiful opportunity to get into Matic. I definitely would look to add to my position in that range, as that would be your wave 2 pullback zone. So that's what I'm looking for, is to push up in that final wave 5, complete the wave 1 to the upside, wave 1, see that nice wave 2 pullback, start to load up in this area to ride it up for the wave 3, because that's really the wave you want to get in on as a trader, is the wave 3, is it's usually the most impulsive. Just as you can see here, we had a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and we had a nice juicy large wave 3, and this is on a smaller scale. So of course that larger wave count, wave 3, will be much bigger. I'm just pointing out the obvious, but I guess for new people it could be helpful. All right, so that's what I'm looking at here, is that we come up and break this high to put in that final wave 5, because we did fail to do that. So we're looking at as an ABC correction, looking to push up in a wave 5. Now looking at the daily chart here, as I mentioned, we're overextended from the EMAs. We did sell off, but we have started to push up rather quickly, and the EMAs are starting to catch up to the candles, which is exactly what you want to see. Consolidate, allow the EMAs to catch up to the candles, and then see continuation to the upside. We still have a bull flag target all the way up here to $1.63. Will we make it all the way up to that level before reversing? I would be pretty impressed. It's possible, but I think it's more likely maybe the $1.40 to $1.50, maybe $1.55 range before seeing that larger pullback, which would be healthy for the chart of Matic, as we've just exploded to the upside here, which of course we love to see. I mean, it's very sexy, and you know, you're making some juicy gains on your HODL position or your trade, so we always love to see that, but it's always healthy to see some pullback. All right, guys, so that's basically it for this little update. As I mentioned on the weekly chart, if you ignore all these price targets, we'll take this one out. Just so, well, we'll do that for now. We're back above the 55 EMA, which is a strong bullish sign as well. So we can hold above the daily, the weekly EMAs, and you allow the 20 on the weekly to catch up. You have the bullish cross, then that would be a strong signal of a bottom being in for Matic as well. So that's basically it for this little update in the short term. What you want to see here is that we have a strong hourly close to maintain this push to the upside, and then what you would be looking at is potentially a wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback. You're looking to push up in a wave 3, wave 4, your final wave 5 to take you up to that $1.42 price target. But any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5. All right, guys, I shouldn't shake my finger. It's probably rude, especially in other countries. Well, I'm not sure about that, but all right, stop talking. So that's it for this one. Of course, sign up to Bybit. Email me your sign-up email and grab up to $30,000 in bonuses, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. And you can check out my full-length tutorial. And at the $10 membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.